Hello friends, in this video I will show how to enable or add Grammarly to your Chrome browser. So firstly open any web browser, then search Grammarly. Open grammarly.com. Now scroll down and in this options just click on Grammarly for Chrome. Now here click on add to Chrome. It's completely free. Grammarly for Chrome improves grammar, clarity and more as you write on your favorite sites. Now here click on add to Chrome and click on add extension. Now wait for a few seconds. Once successfully installed Grammarly, a new tab will open. You can create your account with Google, Facebook or Apple ID. So this way you can add and enable Grammarly to your Chrome browser. Thanks for watching.